Health break. So thank you so much. We are back to proceed, and we had left from where our leader of majority was. So please proceed on, Honorable.
Thank you, Chair. While we went on break, I was on the floor, and I was referring to the sections of the law that the Council was referring, and that is in relation to the seeking of the information.
Order, Honorable. I see a point of order from Council.
Thank you so much, Honorable Chair. As we went for the health break, I had a chance to consult with my client on how our participation further with respect to these proceedings. We came before this committee, Honorable Chair and members, because of an undertaking that we were given that these proceedings will be done in compliance with the rule of law and the rules of natural justice. My client has been denied counsel from our counsel. She's been denied the opportunity to consult our counsel. We've also been taken outside the petition and the summons that we were served with. And if that is the position that the committee cannot take our concern in terms of how we should proceed, we have a request. And the request, Honorable Chair, is that if we cannot stick to that undertaking that we were given going forward, we request that we be excused from these proceedings.
Thank you so much, Honorable Council. And together with Madam Judy, for that request. Honorable members, this Ad-Hoc committee, we are guided by the standing orders, and with full knowledge of what the standing orders are directing us, I want to put it categorically that this Ad-Hoc committee is within its mandate in discharging its duties. And in this case, this Ad-Hoc committee is offering representation on behalf of the petitioners, and that warranted the decision of this committee to invite Madam Judy to help us in finding a settlement to this matter. Nonetheless, if the council is not happy with the proceedings as conducted in this house, there are some things we note as a committee, and I want to share that this Ad-Hoc committee is not satisfied with the information it has been furnished with, as had been requested. This is outright disobedience of this committee's powers and directions. That this committee invited you to appear before it on 19th January 2023, but you declined through your advocate, citing various reasons that the committee were not satisfied with. Summons were issued to you through your advocate on 23rd January 2023 to appear on 26th January 2023. You appeared before this committee and did not bring with you the information that the committee requested for. This committee indulged you further and extended the summons of appearance on 31st January 2023. Through your advocate, you asked for another day to appear, and it was granted today, 3rd February 2023. However, you have not followed the directions of this Ad-Hoc committee by not furnishing it with, one, a detailed status. Now that you are asking us to confine ourselves to the sermon, and which you read and understood it well and found it good enough not to comply with. One, a detailed status report on residents of Uasin Gishu who successfully applied and proceeded to work in Qatar. That detailed report was not given to us. Number two, a detailed status report of residents of Uasin Gishu who successfully applied and proceeded for further studies to Poland, Finland, Britain, and Qatar. The details should include names, identification numbers, place of residence, addresses, amounts paid by the applicants. That one also was declined. You did not submit. A detailed status report on the number of Uasin Gishu residents who applied for jobs and learning opportunities abroad but were unsuccessful. Reasons why they were unsuccessful and reason for retaining their travel documents. Because in the petition, travel documents of members of public have been retained in your office without them being given sufficient information as to why you retained their passports and their travel documents. Number four, a detailed status report on any refunds made and proof of the same. You have also failed to give us that. And we are aware that there is no court order in force that is preventing you for giving us this information. You do not have a registration certificate from the data commissioner, yet you claim that you are protected by the act. We are left with no other choice but to declare you as a hostile witness. And that is the findings of this Ad-Hoc committee, and so is declared. Thank you so much. This meeting, honorable members, stands adjourned. Thank you, and thank you, members of public. Honorable members, in